Okay, so we have basically 5 new cars. We don't have them all because I've got the other ones down at the warehouse, but we're going to cover these 6 cars right now. And these are basically Bob Beers and Slot Car Central chassis that now they're offering them to me, ProTinkerToys.com, because I am the king of slot cars, I think. And these are the 57 Bel Airs for extraction, and this is a black with yellow and red flames, and this is just beautiful. And we are selling them on Xtraction Chassis, okay? The Auto World Xtraction Chassis, so you could buy the entire car, okay? And so this is just an extraction, but they are just beautiful. Check out that car. Yeah, move that out of your way. Check out that car. I mean, that is just beautiful. Look at that, just nice driving and everything. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And that is the 57 Bel Air, okay? And it fits the chassis perfect. It fits nice and firm. It has the extraction clips, and you just snap that right on, and boom, it is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that car. It says buy me, okay? And you can get these at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com.
Are those the same or they're different?
These are all the same, and we're going to talk about these later. And that is the 57 Bel Air by Bob Beers and Slot Car Central, available at ProTinkerToys.com with a chassis on them. Wow, what a deal.